Hello guys, welcome back to our Prime Coding channel. I hope you guys are doing good and you are loving our on-campus placement series. So this is the very next question that we're gonna do. It's a slightly different question that we previously did. This is an unsorted array. Previously we did all or make the approaches for the sorted array. This is an unsorted array. So unsorted array means the element is not arranging in a right manner. It is like 2, 3, 1, 9. This has not been following any type of ascending or descending rules. So it has been look like that. So you just need to remove the repeating elements and you should maintain the correct position of each element. If 2 occurs at the 0th location, you should append the same into the array. It's not like you can append 2 in the last, or you should maintain the integrity of its element positions. Okay, so how we can do this question? It's also pretty similar, or I would say pretty similar approach. You can do it using, like, you can use maps. If you have heard of maps, you can just write maps, and whatever the element it is present, like 2, how many times 2 is there, 2 is there only for 1 times, how many times 3 is there, 3 is there for 3 times, as well as how many times 1 is there, 1 is there for 2 times, how many times 9 is there, 9 is there for 2 times, and you just print the keys value of the array element, okay, of the maps. But if not, this would be this is also a good approach, I would say, but this is a more similar or more easy way, because we have not been covered any type of question which covers maps. We'll cover it in few more videos, but right now we know the array. So how we can use array as this? Guys, see, this is a very optimal solution that I am teaching you is, I will take an array which I will name as unique, because we need to store the unique element. Fine. And what I will do is, if I will traverse over this array, I will traverse over this array from 0 to n. Fine. If I find my what I will tell is, if my array of I element is not in unique, fine. In Python you just need to write this line only, because it is very simple language which we can implement in your life, and I have also recommend you to use this Python as your second language, because in many of the exams that I have given, if you are using Java, then it is good. If you are not using Java, you are using C++, you should have a Python or Java in your second language as your second language. Okay, so I'm talking about Python, but if you want the code in C++ or Java, please check the description. You will find the code snippets there. I will put the GitHub link. Fine. I will check if the array element is not there in the unique array that we are creating, means the element is unique, and I will append this array of I into our unique array that we have created. Guys, this is a pseudo code. You can write it in any of the favorite language that you are following. Fine. So yes guys, this is a very straightforward approach. We will append the array of I element if it not exist in the unique array, which means the element that we currently on and it is not being in unique array, it means it's a unique element. Fine. And the time complexity would be order of n, because we are traversing each and every element once, and the space complexity is order of n because of this unique element. But questions itself is telling that we need to take a separate array, so the time complexity, the space complexity would be order of 1, because for the question's sake we are taking it. Otherwise we can do it in place also. Fine. Okay, let's move to our compiler. So here is a compiler. We need to do that. So yes guys, so how I can, like, this is the order. I have told you that we'll take a unique array in that, then for I in range n, I will check if my array of I element not in unique. If you're using C++ or Java, you just need to do the linear search or write a function. If it is there, then return true, false, something like that. Or if you're using Python, it is straightforward, very straightforward question. If it is not in the unique element, you just need to append unique dot append array of I. Yeah guys, bingo, the code is over. Print unique. Now you just need to give a quick run. And yes guys, you can see 4123, 4123, it eliminated all the repeated elements, as well as the it maintains the integrity of the element, like 4 comes first, then 1 comes second, then second and third. Yes guys, so this problem is also over. If you need the code, it is there in the description. I have given the link of the GitHub. Please go through that, and if you have any doubt, please shoot it into the comment section. Thanks for watching.